Hi everybody, David Lewis here. I get asked all the time, what made you get into the car business? Why did you start selling cars? Well, it was really simple. I wanted to actually own my own business, and what a better opportunity than selling cars. You see, I went to work for a dealership, and they paid the mortgage, the rent. They gave me an inventory. I didn't have to invest in anything. They gave me sales staff support. They gave me advertising. And then on top of that, they gave me benefits. And then what made it even easier for me was they said, we'll pay you a percentage of the gross of what you sell with no initial risk or investment. And you know what? If we end up losing money on a deal, we won't ask you to contribute. We'll still pay you a commission. So technically, I found out that I was in my own business with no risk at all to me. And I actually got the lion's share of the commission and the profit from the deal made. And that's why I got into selling cars. And that's a good reason for you to do as well. Good luck, everyone.